What's going on, Dominators? Eldar here. In this video, I'm going to give you a quick overview about Local Wiz App. Local Wiz App is designed to create content that Google freaking loves. We have been using this for years, I think like 6 years now. Recently, we just added some AI to it, so it's really cool. It will like skyrocket your efforts, and it's going to make the things that you do today a whole lot faster. The purpose of Local Wiz is to help you to optimize your website and things of that sort. There's a couple components to it. The first thing that I want to show you is how you can create the projects or even articles instead of just creating those like old and boring blog posts that nobody really looks at and there's not really much traffic to it. So what I want to show you is how you can utilize this. So let me show you how it looks once you do that. So hold on, let's grab that. So once you start using Local Wiz App, you'll be able to create articles or projects. I'm going to show you just the projects for now. And what we do with this, we just create project roadmap just like this. And when you do this, it will increase your topical relevancy and your authoritative relevancy, just like that. You don't have to create topical map and all of those things, because once you're going to upload projects, this will take care of all of this for you in literally just a couple of clicks. I mean, it takes less than 5 minutes to do. And I'll show you this in just a second. But essentially, you'll create projects like this, and everything is fully optimized. We will rename the files before we upload it to your WordPress. If you don't have a WordPress, we have a workaround. It's fine. We will create automated captions, alt, EXIF data. Everything is automatically optimizing your content, and you'll create pages just like this. And what's really cool about those pages, not only do they have the Google Maps here, but you can see how many other content you have on this thing here. All of those other projects, all of those links, everything is tied together. So Google really understands what is your website about and where is your website or your business really serve their clients, right? So for example, I have a page here about Chandler, Arizona. And what this will show me all of the projects in Chandler, Arizona. So now I'm relevant for that. And of course, you can see all of the other stuff on the side, which is really, really epic. I mean, this is something that we have been using for years, and just recently I've decided to share this with the community. But it's been our secret weapon for a very long time. Now, when you search for this, obviously this is not something that somebody's going to search. But the point is that you want to see that you're somewhere at the top. Usually it will be somewhere between the first and the third. And what's really cool is that those pages, not only they get traffic, which you'll see in Google Search Console, but they will increase your authority. So if you're looking to rank for something like plumber Gilbert, plumber that, whatever, this will do it for you. This will allow you to rank for your main keyword by creating all of the support content around it, which is really easy and fast to do. In just a second, I'll show you the citation finder, which is also something really epic that you can do to find really good links opportunities, okay? Now, in order to create a project, you'll just come in here and you'll give it a phrase keyword, something like that. You'll just click generate after so, and then this is going to give you titles that you'll be able to use. So let's say this is the title that I want. Then I'm going to create my project outline. So everything that you do here is just click, click, click. You don't really need to do much. The project outline can take anywhere from 5 to 20 seconds to generate. So this is good. The next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to create my project description just like that. While this is being generated, I'm also going to create my meta description just like that. It's going to process this. While this is processing, I'm going to find the relevant categories and keywords. So you kind of want to think about what is it. So if you're working with a pizza, your category would be pizza, and then your keyword will be maybe something pizza with olives and stuff like that. So for example, I'm just going to pick up 2 here, and I'll pick up, let's say, 2 of those here, right? And you can, of course, add whatever you want. You can use the AI to add it for you. And all of that stuff will be done in just a couple of clicks. As you can see, our article is done. We have a beautiful article here with Q&A, all of those things. You can come in here, you can embed YouTube video, you can add links, you can do whatever you would like. Make sure you get yourself a good meta description, scroll down, upload your images, and from here, just upload the gallery images. You can also create Google My Business post. I'm going to give this an address. Let's say this is Dallas. Usually we'll find an address like where we want to rank. So for example, if I have local Dominator, so if this is my client and we want to rank at this area here where everything is kind of red, so what we're going to do, we're just going to zoom in. Hold on so you can see my screen. So I'm just going to kind of like zoom in. You can do this thing with a mouse. And then I'm just going to grab an address just like that. I'll just click this and I'm going to take this. I don't take the exact address because we don't want to share that. And I'm just going to, where is my local Wiz? I'm going to use this as my address. And what's going to happen here, now all the data is going to be relevant to that. So we're going to show the zip code of that. We're going to show the city. We're going to use the EXIF data for the image to use for that. And that's it. All you have to do, you can customize your map if you would like, and you just save project. And this will push this to your WordPress, and it will create that content directly on your WordPress. We don't archive all that stuff on our server or anything like that. Everything is being saved directly on your WordPress. So when Google goes in and they crawl it, they crawl through the whole thing natively, and they don't go to like another URL because we used like a snip or whatever. Everything is natively within your WordPress. So when Google crawls this, they see it, it makes everything relevant. They index those pages freaking fast. Like if you ever had indexing issue, then you know what I'm talking about. Because this is making your website so relevant, you're not going to have any indexing issue. Maybe if you create like 100 of them, maybe you'll have like, I don't know, 90% index or 95, but usually when you create blog posts, like the index rate is so low today because it doesn't make any sense. There is a million blog posts and they're all the same. This is unique. Another thing that this will do, this will increase the dwell time that the actual users are actually spending on your client's website. When your client is going to use this to close sales, look how powerful. Let me grab this. When they're going to utilize this, they're basically going to go between one project to the other. They're going to go to this link, to the other link, and it's going to increase the dwell time that you have on your website. There is so many benefits from this thing, and I can go on this thing for a freaking long time. Anyway, this is a quick recap just so you can see what this is. We also have the citation finder. I don't want to make this video too long. Citation finder will help you find really good citations that are index of your business or your competitors, something you definitely have to utilize. It's also available in your dashboard. Just scroll up and you'll be able to use it. It's right here, super epic. It's part of it. There's a bunch of other stuff. Long story short, check it out. You will love it. If you need any help, just let us know. Have an amazing day. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.